Okay, so today it's like today. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. I don't know. Yeah, I have a few days series coming up, so I'm not sure if this happened in betweens or when I'm done with the series. But anyway, yeah. So earlier today I was editing my backlogs and some videos also for vlogging and for my work vlog backlogs. But what happened was I ended up editing till around 9 a.m. So I was planning to go to op shops today so that I can just refresh myself, look at old stuff like old cameras or anything cool. And yeah, since I finished editing 9 a.m., I went to bed around 9:30, 10. Was it 11? I think it was, yeah, I don't know. So I went to sleep and I was planning to get up around 2. I woke up around 2, 3, and I was just tearing at everything and went back to sleep. So I was tired. The thing is, my body clock has changed lately. It's moved from working in the mornings, in the daytime, to working at night. So yeah, that thing's getting annoying me. Anyway, yeah. So that's what happened, and I need to put it back in order. I need to like go to sleep at night and then wake up in the morning and do chores in the morning. If I'm shooting a wedding or shooting an event, it's good because the thing is I have to wake up early, I have to get up, and I have no choice. I have to get up. And if you have a day job, you have to get up in the morning. So even though if you stay late at night, you still need to get up in the morning. So your body still goes back. And I'm wearing my old pajamas. I haven't changed yet, by the way. So yeah, that's the thing. I need to get some inspiration to change my body clock. I need to like wake up in the morning and do this editing in the morning. That way, it's gonna feel like work. And yeah, that's what I need to do. That's what I've been trying though. But anyway, just let you know, I'm editing stuff right now and haven't had a shower yet because I haven't gone out. I just got out of bed just it's around 5:42. So I just got out of bed around 4. Yeah, did the dishes and everything else. So I need to change my life, and the shutter speed is wrong. That's the correct shutter speed. Okay, let's do this.